up, guys? Welcome to today's vlog. We're getting right into it today. Got the second Bravo in the back of my truck, and we're working on the other Bravo down here, the black one that you guys saw in the last two videos. So it's up on its side here. It's because we got some pretty gnarly rust holes. Picked up some sheet metal and got that over here. Got both seats that we gotta make a seat like board underneath and then cover them. So that'll be another video probably. Like I said earlier, I warned you guys it's gonna be a lot of videos. But needless to say, just running down to my shed here, grab my welder, and we're gonna get right into welding it. So let's get to it. So right now the game plan is that we're gonna take one big like strip of metal that goes from up here where the steering column, we'll call it, comes out of the tub. We're going to put one piece that goes from there and goes all the way down to back here. So I already did a little bit of grinding off camera to get some fresh, some good fresh metal for welding, let's put it that way. And I don't know if I'm going to cut this out or if I'm just going to patch over it. Might end up cutting that out, we'll see, we'll find out together, I guess. But I just got to measure out the length from here to here and factor in the curve. And then we will be able to get to welding, put the strip in, make sure this is all good, and then I'm going to go back down here and fix up just a couple little holes right there. But needless to say, we are well on our way to getting this sled all wrapped up. So we got our piece of sheet metal here, hopefully you guys can see it. I measured, it's going to need to be 28 inches long, so that'll be somewhere in this vicinity, and we're going to go with 6 inches wide, so like that. And we'll give ourselves a mark every so often. I don't really have a straight edge. I don't think I'm going to go dig out the other one, so hopefully this will do. And it doesn't have to be perfect, it's on the bottom of the snowmobile. I just need lines that I can follow for cutting because I'm doing this by hand. And I don't know, we'll just get right into cutting. Alrighty, there we go. We got our piece, and now we're gonna go mock it up on the sled, clamp it, and get right into welding it. Alright, so a little change of plans here. We're going to cut this into two pieces and handle it as two pieces. So we're going to clean this up, mark it out. Alright, so this is, as you guys could probably tell already, it's going to be mainly just It's mainly just going to be a bunch of tack welds, but regardless, it's still going to hold. So I got most of the thing tacked in place here, a new sheet. So now I just kind of made a bend here so we can bend it up and weld it up top around the edge. I'm going to see if I can. What's up, guys? We are back. Took a little break to actually go buy a third snowmobile. So we got 3 total snowmobiles right now, and yeah, so we definitely got our hands full. Coming back though, revisiting this, looking at a couple different options, and what I came up with is that, I mean, you guys found out before that we split this up into 2 sections, so that's going to go right there. However, this is pretty weak right here, so what we're going to do is take a piece, put it from here, and then wrap that down and around, and then we're going to put the piece on so we have a solid platform to weld this patch onto. So we're going to get to it. Right before I get welding here, I just want to show you guys, I made this piece off camera and it fits perfectly right here. And once we get that piece in, then we'll be able to go ahead and put the last panel in to patch up this. So I'm going to tack this in, then we'll be able to tack to this. It'll give us a much more solid base than what we have right now. Alrighty guys, so with that, we got the bottom of the sled patched up. So it's not pretty, but it's definitely going to work, and at this point that's all we're running for. And yeah, so like I said before, I'm in a time crunch, so I'm not going to really be filming too much more tonight on this. Maybe I'll do the seat covers like in my room or something like that, and I'll film that. But needless to say, I'm going to get this all cleaned up, get this sled completely painted and done, and then focus on getting the red sled running, because this sled runs, the red sled doesn't. So that'll be another video and see if we can get that running and how long that takes. But needless to say, we're done with this one when it comes to welding. There's a couple little holes down in here. Not going to worry about it because I just don't have the time to. So we're going to paint this, get this all ready to go, slap this sled back down on its skis, and we're going to call it a day for this one. So with that, stay tuned for the next video for just the snowmobile content. There's definitely going to be a lot more, probably another 2 videos at least. One on the red sled, getting that one running, and then the seat cover and building the seats. So expect 2, possibly 3 more videos on getting the snowmobiles ready, and then after that we're going to do some ripping on them. So with that, hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Give it a like, and if you guys are new to the channel, definitely subscribe. With that, take it easy. See you next time.